Teamwork quotes to get you inspired. The power of teamwork quotes. Teamwork quotes capture the essence of unity, emphasizing how individuals come together to form a stronger whole and achieve success collectively. Why teamwork matters. Inspirational quotes. Quotes about teamwork remind us of the profound impact collaboration has on both individual and collective success, amplifying what can be achieved together. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Helen Keller. This quote illustrates how teamwork unlocks greater potential, emphasizing the importance of collaboration for achieving larger goals. Talent wins games, but teamwork wins championships. Michael Jordan. Jordan's quote reflects that while individual skill is important, teamwork and intelligence lead to greater long-term success. The strength of team and members. Phil Jackson. Phil Jackson emphasizes the reciprocal relationship between a team and its members. Both strengthen each other, supporting individual and collective growth. Communication is key in teamwork. Great teamwork stems from clear communication. Steve Jobs highlights the importance of collaboration and transparent communication in achieving significant outcomes. Embrace diversity in teams. Diversity in perspectives fosters innovation and creativity in teams. Celebrating individual uniqueness is essential for thriving teamwork and collective success. Focus on the common goal. John C. Maxwell. Maxwell's quote stresses that teamwork flourishes when everyone is aligned and focused on a shared goal, making the collective effort more powerful. Applying teamwork quotes in the workplace. Use teamwork quotes in morning meetings, office decor, and performance reviews to reinforce team values and foster a culture of collaboration. Lasting impact of teamwork quotes. Teamwork quotes not only inspire but also provide valuable lessons on unity, collaboration, and creating environments where everyone thrives toward shared success. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.